Sweet corn isn't just a tasty side dish, it's a staple in households around the world, prized for its natural sweetness and versatility. From barbecues to casseroles, canned sweet corn plays a vital role in global cuisine. But most people don't know the incredible journey each kernel takes from the field to their fork. In today's video, we'll uncover how modern farms and massive food factories work together to harvest, process, and can millions of tons of sweet corn. It's a high-tech, highly coordinated process that balances speed, scale, and quality control. So buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the cornfields and beyond. This is how sweet corn is grown, harvested, and canned on an industrial scale. Every great harvest begins with a carefully planned planting process. Farmers use precision agriculture tools and GPS-guided tractors to plant rows of sweet corn seeds with pinpoint accuracy. These seeds are specially selected for their sugar content, rapid growth, and resilience. During the growing season, the fields are meticulously managed with the help of advanced irrigation systems and crop monitoring drones. Farmers track soil conditions, nutrient levels, and pest activity to ensure the highest yield possible. Within 60 to 100 days, the corn plants reach maturity. Fields stretch as far as the eye can see, green waves of corn that are just days away from being harvested and transformed into canned food for millions. When harvest season arrives, it's time for the big machines to roll in. Giant corn combine harvesters, some the size of a small house, move through the fields with astonishing efficiency. These machines can harvest several acres per hour, stripping the ears from the stalks in a single sweep. As the ears are collected, the husks and stalks are separated and either returned to the soil or used for feed. It's a process engineered to minimize waste and maximize productivity. Watching these machines in action is nothing short of mesmerizing. It's agriculture at its most advanced, where speed meets precision in the race to preserve freshness. Once the corn is harvested, the clock starts ticking. To maintain peak flavor and texture, the sweet corn must be transported to the processing facility quickly. Specialized trucks, often refrigerated, haul the corn from the fields to the factories within hours. At the plant, the corn is dumped into receiving stations where it undergoes its first round of inspection and sorting. Any debris, damaged ears, or excess husk are filtered out using a combination of human oversight and automated sensors. Efficient logistics and real-time data management keep the entire process moving like a well-oiled machine, ensuring that only the best ears make it to the canning line. Once inside the factory, the corn embarks on a rapid, high-efficiency transformation. Industrial conveyor belts carry the ears through a dehusking machine, then into high-powered steamers that soften the kernels for cutting. Massive cutting machines then shear the kernels off the cob at incredible speeds, preserving the integrity and sweetness of each bite-sized piece. From here, the kernels are funneled into washing systems that remove any final impurities. This entire process is monitored by automated systems and overseen by trained workers to maintain a consistent, food-safe environment. The goal? Preserve the freshness and flavor of just picked corn in every can. Next comes the canning process itself. The freshly cut kernels are briefly cooked in large-scale blanching systems to lock in flavor and preserve shelf life. This heat treatment also destroys any microbes, ensuring the corn is safe to store. After cooking, the corn is packed into sterilized cans with a touch of water or brine. Sealing machines then vacuum lock the lids at high speed, creating an airtight environment that prevents spoilage. Finally, the sealed cans are placed into retort machines' giant pressure cookers that heat the cans to specific temperatures to guarantee long-term preservation without compromising taste. Quality control is a critical step in the process. Random samples are pulled from the production line and tested for texture, flavor, sugar content, and microbiological safety. Infrared scanners and weight sensors ensure every can is filled correctly. Any can that fails to meet strict standards is immediately removed from the line. Consistency and safety are non-negotiable in large-scale food production. Once cleared, the cans are labeled, date-stamped, and packed into cartons or shrink-wrapped trays, ready for distribution to supermarkets, restaurants, and food banks worldwide. Canned sweet corn is a global commodity. It's shipped to over 100 countries and used in countless dishes from Asian stir-fries to Western salads and soups. Its long shelf life and ease of use make it an essential pantry item everywhere. Countries like the US, Thailand, and Hungary are among the biggest exporters, supplying supermarkets and food service providers year-round. Meanwhile, demand continues to rise, especially in urban areas where fresh produce isn't always accessible. With billions of cans sold annually, sweet corn is not just a crop, it's a cornerstone of the global food supply. Modern sweet corn farming is evolving to be more sustainable. Many farms now implement no-till practices to preserve soil structure and reduce erosion. Crop rotation and cover cropping help maintain soil fertility and control pests naturally. Water conservation is also a top priority. Drip irrigation systems and satellite monitoring reduce waste while maximizing yield. Even the byproducts from corn processing husks, stalks, and cobs are often reused as compost, biofuel, or livestock feed. This shift toward sustainable farming practices ensures that sweet corn production can meet global demand without compromising the environment. The journey of sweet corn from field to can is a triumph of modern agriculture, blending tradition with innovation. As consumers, we often take canned goods for granted. But behind each can of sweet corn is a story of hard work, cutting-edge technology, and a vast network of farmers and factory workers. So the next time you open a can of corn, remember the massive effort and machinery behind it as proof of how far agriculture has come and how vital it remains to.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.